All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, the Hinge Theorem. Now, this looks big and scary. It's not. It's very, very simple, actually. Okay? First, we got to have two pairs of sides congruent. All right? Two pairs of sides congruent. Let me give you an example. Let's say we have this triangle right here. Here's AB, triangle 1. Now this is triangle 2. Look, ready? Triangle 2. Would you agree that AB and DE are the same? Yes? Would you agree that BC and EF are the same? Okay. Which one's bigger? Angle 1 or angle 2? Angle 2. Angle 1, angle 2. Angle 2 is bigger, right? Which side is bigger? The side across from angle 1 or the side across from angle 2? Obviously, angle 2, right? That's all this theorem is saying. If you have two pairs of sides congruent, 1 and 2. One pair of sides congruent, two pair of sides congruent. If this angle, angle B, is bigger than angle E, then the side across from it, AC, is bigger than DF. Pretty simple? We call it the Hinge Theorem. Does anybody know why we call it the Hinge Theorem? Because what is this called? A hinge. It's called a hinge. That's all it is. Angle 1, side 1. Angle 2, side 2. So, let's look at this one over here. This example, pretty simple. Do we have two pairs of sides congruent? Yes, we do. We have 4 is congruent to 4, don't we? We've got 5 is congruent to 5. We've got two pairs of sides congruent. Now, which one's bigger here? 8 or 7? 8's bigger than 7, right? So if 8 is bigger than 7, then what does that mean about these angles? Well, which one's bigger? This one or this one? 2x minus 10. So 2x plus 10 is bigger than 80. And now what do we have to do? We just got to solve for x. I subtract 10 from both sides. 2x is bigger than 70. Divide by 2. X is bigger than 35. Oh man, Mr. Kuhne, that's so hard. No, it's not. It's easy. The Hinge Theorem is easy. This side is bigger than this side. So this angle is bigger than this angle. So 2x plus 10 is bigger than 80. So that means x has to be bigger than 35. So could it be 40? 2 times 40 plus 10 would be 90. Is 90 bigger than 80? Yes. So that would work, wouldn't it? That's all we have to do. It's pretty simple. That's all we have to do. Let's do another one. Alright, so let's call this, we'll say this is 10, we'll say this is 10, we'll say this is 6. Let's see here, we'll say this is 5. I'll call this x. And this is going to be 42 degrees, and this will be 40 degrees. Do we have two pairs of sides congruent in these triangles? We got the 10s, don't we? Boom! Do we have another pair of sides? What? The 6s, don't we? The 6s, that's reflexive. So we have the 6s congruent. The 6s are congruent. Now, which one's bigger, 42 or 40? 42 is bigger than 40, right? 42 is bigger than 40. So what does that mean? 5 is bigger than x. Or we could just rearrange it and say x is less than 5, correct? Pretty simple? But are we done? No, because you know what we can actually do? Just looking at this triangle, 6, 10, and x. What does x have to be between? What we did yesterday. X has to be between 4 and 16, correct? Two sides of a triangle have to be bigger than the third side. So x plus 6 has to be bigger than 10, which means x has to be bigger than 4. And 6 plus 10 has to be bigger than x, so x has to be less than 16. So x has to be between 4 and 16, but we know it also has to be less than 5. So what does x actually have to be between? If we combine these, x has to be between, it's got to be bigger than 4, right? But it has to be less than, not 16, it's got to be less than 5, doesn't it? It's got to be less than 5. So we got to find some number between 4 and 5. And there are numbers between 4 and 5, right? Like, give me an example of a side that x could be. 4.5, 4.5. 4.1, 4.6, 4.7. 4.99999999992. That would be fine. It's just got to be somewhere in there, okay? Somewhere between 4 and 5. That's the Hinge theorem. Pretty simple. What I want you to do now is I want you to take a few moments and think of real-life examples that you could do for math in real life, okay, that you could take pictures of, so you could get your extra credit next week when we come back. Think of examples of the Hinge theorem. Talk with your teammates. I'll give you 30 seconds. I mean, I'm just saying, you know. Which side's bigger, this side or this side? You know, just saying. Okay. Your homework for tonight is page 375, numbers 1 through 9. And then page 368, 24 through 26, and 31. 24 through 26, and 31. You are going to begin this silently on your own. And then, after a few minutes, I will let you be checking your answers with your partner, teammates.